Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, what I want to show you is how to make today is how to do a winter DIY Christmas ornament. So, this is one of my ornaments here. It's clear, it separates apart, and I have some different stuff here that I've dried, and it's ready to work with. So I have some little pines, some pine needles. Now, one thing to remember with pines and pine needles is they can be highly flammable. So you do want to take that into consideration when working with your pines and your pine needles. I have some little berries here. Now, these are non-edible berries. And I have a pine cone here and some different berries. Some of these are from the burning bush and some different things. Now, all these berries are non-edible. And some little things from when the maple trees were in bloom in the spring. So we're going to start putting this together here. And I'll figure out here how I want my pine cone here to be. And I come in here with my pines here. Oops. Sometimes they're springy. They want to try and like spring back on you. There we go. I got it. And we're going to put some berries in here. Go. And these make great gifts too. And it's a fun way, at least I think it's fun, to be able to decorate your home and, you know, kind of have some of nature in with it. So I'm going to put some little sprigs in here. And we're going to come in here with some little berries and different things. Go. Let's put some more little sprigs in here of pine. And I have these little miniature pine cones here. And they're so cute. I want to put some of them in here too. Let's see here. I have the other side here. Let's see what I'm going to put in here. Let's do some pines in here. Let's get out some more red. Oops, that one don't want to stay in there. Sprig there. Find a short one here. We're going to put some red berries in here. And we're going to put some pines in. Let's go with this pine here. This is a different pine right here. This is kind of different. Turn it this way. That's going to fit much better. And sometimes you got to work with your material to get it in how you want it to go in. So let's do some little pines, and let's do some more of these berries and the maple blooms. Let's put some of these in here. Now you can do this with dried flowers. I will do some videos on how to do this with dried flowers. Dried flowers are really fun to work with. Okay, just put this one here and here. There we go. And we are ready to put this here together. There we go. We're going to sandwich it together here. There we go. And there's our holiday Christmas winter ornament. I like the little berries. They're so cute. So all this needs now, let me line this up here. Oops. Didn't line up the way I wanted it to. Come on. There we go. So all I need now is to put a hook in it and can hang it on the tree when the tree goes up. So, pretty fun. And you can use all different kinds of material for this project. I just used a little bit of material. Now, my theory for collecting material is I always leave more than what I take. And that way then, you know, the wildlife still has their berries and you're just kind of taking a little bit so you can create your holiday decor. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye!